Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Muhammad Syamil bin Muhammad Shukri and my supervisor is Mr. Karun Nizam bin Abdul Halim. My final year project title is predicting auditors' client payment using Naive Bayes algorithm. First and foremost, the audit firm is a company that analyzes operation to find inefficiency, cut costs and otherwise achieve organizational goals. The auditor is one of the key stakeholders in modern corporation. Those professionals are charging their fees for account auditing. However, auditors' clients are unable to pay their audit fees as per agreement at preliminary audit stages. Unpaid fees or late payment will damage the audit firm profit and will affect the cost of energy and time of the audit firm employees. The proposed solution of this project is to develop payment prediction system for auditing firm to make prediction on clients' payment. This solution will help auditing firm to make an agreement with their clients. The main features of the system is classification model where the system can predict payment behavior. This system also have additional features such as provide system information, provide prediction result history, capable to download the prediction result history, provide data visualization for data analytic, capable to sign in and sign up as admin, capable to develop new prediction model, capable to display original and model data set in table, and lastly, provide data visualization for model development. Naive Bayes algorithm is used for classification model. Naive Bayes is a family of classifier that implement Bayesian techniques to form a simple network based on previous probabilities. It is simple and easy to implement for prediction system, and it doesn't require as much training data, and it is fast and can be used to make real-time prediction. The system flows from the main page and can access as admin to develop new prediction model. From the main page, it also capable to access the prediction page, result history page and visualization page. For the use case, user can view system information, make prediction, view information result, view result history, download result history, and view dataset visualization. As for admin, admin can sign up, sign in, develop prediction model, and view model visualization. Let's proceed to the system demo. Welcome to Payment Prediction System. In the main page, user can click to the System Information button to view the detail about the prediction system and system development. In the prediction page, user can make a new prediction by insert the client's name, current asset, current liability, net asset, net liability, capital reserve, revenue, cost, gross profit, other income, total expenses, profit loss, cash and bank, and audit fees. After that, you need to click on the predict button to view the prediction result. You show that the tech data can afford to pay, and you also show the bar chart and the pie chart of the client payment prediction probability. User can click on the make prediction button to make another new prediction. In the history page, user can view the previous prediction result and download into Excel file. User can easily search for a specific client name to view the previous prediction result. In the visualization page, it will show the data visualization about the audit fee, profit and loss, cash and bank. As for admin, admin can sign in or sign up as new admin. In the admin main page, the admin can choose the Naive Bayes model to develop and update the Naive Bayes model with new dataset. To develop new prediction model, the admin has to choose a new dataset. After submit the new data, it will show the total of new data and the detail of the new data. After that, the admin can proceed to the data transformation. In this page, it will show that all of the data has been transformed into nominal. Then, admin can proceed to oversampling. In this page, it will show the data before the oversampling, which is unbalanced, and after the oversampling. After that, admin can start the machine learning to develop a new prediction model. In this page, it will show the accuracy of the training and testing data. In the visualization page, admin can view the model visualization of total dataset, oversampling data, and model accuracy for training and testing file. Lastly, admin can log out to exit the system. If the user access the admin page by the URL, it will prompt the user to log in as admin. And that's all for the system demo. After the system development has been done, the system has been tested in 3 categories. For functionality testing, each part of the system has already been successfully tested. For usability testing, 2 users were selected to answer SUS Scale questionnaire. The outcome of the SUS score test for the system is excellent at 88.75 and can be graded as A. Lastly, overall percentage of model accuracy testing is 93%, which is very good for prediction model. For the conclusion, Payment Prediction System is a classification model system that has a few visualization charts and additional features that have been built together as a whole system. In the future work of this project, the classification model would be implemented using different approaches. By doing so, the outcome of every technique can be compared and the best technique performance can be known. Besides that, the research can try another popular and more accurate approach in evaluating the classification model such as F1 score and receiver characteristic curve. Lastly, the system can add more features such as provide automation variance formulation to get more accurate result and provide batch prediction to predict multiple clients at once. That's all from me. Thank you.